Good evening, listeners, fellow traders, my students, friends. My name is Samuel Okoye-Ocha. The time now is 9:01 p.m. in Biafra, West Africa. This is technical analysis based on advanced method of Elliott wave theory. Okay, I have made my first video covers from DSY to JPY pays. This week, I omitted card JPY, chef JPY, card chef, New Zealand JPY, New Zealand card. So I couldn't do all today because of time. This morning, I've never rested. So, but I must do this because many people are looking up to me to watch my nets before they face their trade come Monday or Sunday night. So today, now I want to cover US100, US30, Nifty, Nikkei, Dow, DAX 30, UK100, Tesla, Copper, Neko, SP500, Bitcoin, and others. So, without wasting time, let me start US100. US100. Daily chart is clear. We are going up. The price is going up. So one thing is we are having a brief selling. Though I don't know whether the selling of this time around will be big or not, but at least the blue box is where we expect it to end. Let me go to 4 hours direct. So the selling is expected to drop in the blue box before it goes up. Then if it goes deeper, then it can come here. And I know you hope you know that it will go like this. So it's meant to go direct just as I draw this, no, but it will come towards this level. That's what I mean. Okay, so that's for US100. So expect more selling before the buying. Remember, you need to have a buy setup before you continue buying. Already the selling is already in progress. Even if you enter when market opens, it's still okay. Okay, so because you may get only the two move, then it continues to go down. So selling is in progress, and stop loss is this level. Okay. We continue. US30 is going deeper than US100. Okay, so yeah, this line has been broken. So how long will it go? I don't know. So let us check 4 hours chart. I know the break of that line shows that some moves are still in progress. So you can see 4 hours that 4 hours, you can see the selling is strong. And from my own experience, at least you're gonna have the selling continue to this blue box or to this lower channel. That's the minimum I'm expecting. Okay, so that's I expect the further selling towards this level. That is 3,400 area, 3420, 3430. Sorry, 34,200, 34,300 area. That's where I expect it to drop to. Okay, so let's also move. All these charts are on my Telegram channel. So if you want to download the charts, then join my Telegram. Then you can download them and keep for your use. Nifty is equally going up, but I expect a little drop. Okay, I expect Nifty to at least to come to this yellow line. But anyway, let me remove the line. The line have served its purpose. So I think Nifty could come to 16,900 level, 16,800, 16,900, 17,000 level. This is where I expect Nifty to drop to before it's continue going up. So that's all I can show you about Nifty. A little pullback. The buying continues. BK is making 5 waves move, and the 5 waves is just clear. A nice 5 waves. You can see 1, 2, 3. Then I'm expecting 4 and 5. So if you are not, if you trade Nikkei, what you will do is to wait for the drop to this level, then you buy. So the drop I'm expecting is like A, B, C, 3 waves. That's what I'm expecting. Then you buy wave 5 and so on. And I remember I told you last time I talked to Nikkei, I told you once this lower channel is broken, this will also broken. I remember I said that. So if you check my old videos, you will see it. I said we may not get to this level. Okay, that any place below here can serve. You can see here is below this place. So in all this, I know what I'm saying, and that's why I asked you to join my channel, my students. I teach you all these things. You know them by yourself. So how does it mean you can make this analysis and you trade in Nikkei and you buy it from here? Just watch how many pips, thousands of dollars. Okay, so the knowledge about Elliott wave cannot be quantified. It's priceless. Yet I tried to someone to teach it because I still have time to teach it. Okay, so buying continues. The next is Dow. Dow is also dropping. So what do we expect on Dow? Pretty simple. Okay, let me go to 2 hours. We expect 5 waves, 1, 2. We expect 3, 4, and 5. So Dow is, we expect Dow to 33,000, 33,300, 35, 36, 37, 38. Between 33,400 and 33,800 is where we expect Dow to continue the bullish move. So if you are selling Dow, you still have time to sell. If you are not selling and you trade the Dow, this is what you will do. Just if you are lucky, since this area has been broken, if you get a little correction, that will be fantastic. Then you sell. It will be a nice trade. DAX. Okay, DAX. This line has been supporting for a long time. This time around, are we going to touch this line again? Okay. To answer the question, let's go to 4 hours. 4 hours have clear a better view of what we expect. Okay, now something is short here. Let me do something. Okay, this is always the area we expect zigzag to end. Whenever we are looking for a zigzag, we always expect it to end between these 2 levels. But you can see it pierced it though it didn't close below it. So normally the correction is over, normally. But now, how do we ascertain that true that correction is over? Because extension cannot be ruled out. The market can extend towards this level. It can happen, but I'm not expecting it. That's why I label this as 1, this as 2, then 3, 4, 5. That's what I'm expecting. Now, what will you do to trade this pair successfully? Now, this is what we will do. Be patient. Once the price runs back to this level, then you can buy. Because why? As long as this level remains, extension is not ruled out. Secondly, the market can do 5 waves move. That's WXY, WXY, XZ. Though I'm not expecting it, but it's good to have such things in mind in case they happen. Now, if you are a student and you trade the DAX, just remind me to help you to know when to enter buy. Now, selling is not over. Let me go to 2 hours. So this candles is a strong selling candle, but I don't think it will break this. But if it breaks this, it will still come lower. Now, this is what we will do. Anyway, I will stop here. If I see a reversal candle, then I will alert all my students. But they have to remind me because I don't trade the DAX for now. So you keep your eyes. Once side is broken, know that we are coming here. But if you get a bounce back, then if you don't know what is stress bounce it up, then you remind me. I will show you when one is valid. Okay. UK100 is still developing. Last week or last time I talked about it, I don't know if it is here or for the private. I think it's a private discussion. I draw this pattern, and this pattern is going to complete. I can see that it's complete. At least this pattern, this is more ideal. This is minimal. I mean, that is at worst, if you go to this level, you can see when I draw this pattern, price was here. I can see it kept dropping. So now, what do we expect? Something like this to this level or to this level. So if you are trading UK100, the selling is still on. The buying, you have to wait till we get a reason for buy. Right now, no reason for buy. That's all I can say about UK100 now. Okay, so we move to other page. Tesla have been going in accordance with my analysis. Okay, so now we expect Tesla to a move, a continuous selling. Okay, I expect some drop, maybe towards this blue box, 696, 689, 680. Between 680 to 700 is where Tesla will likely end its southern journey in the south. So from here, we look for buy again. Copper is doing fine. Okay. I remember last time I talked about copper, I said, as long as here is not broken, that copper is going up back. But if here is broken, maybe it will still go lower. And you can see it didn't break here. And this is a reason to buy. It's now buying. If you trade the copper, you can still join, but let it give you some retracement, some pullback. Now it can go like this, it can go within this channel. That's the only thing. Selling, no reason for sell. Neko Neko is making a 5 wave from after the correction. Hope you can see it. This is WXY, and this is 1, 2. This is 1, 2, 3. We are getting 4 and 5. Then after that, 3 will be here. It continues like that. So after this, we have 3 of this degree will be here. Then we have then continue. So Neko is going up. If you take Neko and you have any open position, then you watch out for this type of movement. At least we target 1521, 1520, 1530 area. Then buyers will join. Those who are not on the buy, if you have entered the buy, you are on board. No need to panic. Nasdaq Composites. Nasdaq. How long will it drop? I don't know. But let me make a guess. Sorry, let me make a forecast. Okay, maybe it's going to go to this level. At least here. So that's what I'm expecting on Nasdaq to give us 3 waves down. This will be in 3 waves. Then here, if it will go deeper, expect it to come here. So expect a reversal around this area, between here and here. Okay, so that's what I'm expecting on Nasdaq. SP500, just like Nasdaq. Just like Nasdaq is also trying to give us 3 waves, but you know, this channel has been there for a long time and never broken. And I think if this channel breaks, it may go lower than we expect. So just if that yellow or white channel breaks, then watch out for this level. So if it doesn't break, it can keep going up. But if it breaks, it will come here. So bear that in mind. Okay. The next is Bitcoin. Bitcoin, I don't have much to say about Bitcoin than to show you the options, the possibilities we have on Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, I made this chart not now. When people are afraid, after this happened, people say that Bitcoin is going back to 30,000 and then I told them I don't think so. So this is my own forecast that this is wave 1 and this is ABC. Wave 2 have ended here, in my opinion. Then we will have this move. On the other hand, we may have a delay, which you may, I mean, the bullish run may delay, which may see the market drop again. This is second bias. This is the first bias, second bias. So I don't. So that's what I'm thinking. Then, as long as here doesn't remain, the market can still come back. We can get WXY, XZ. So which means it's the same thing as this. So if it doesn't happen, this will happen. If it doesn't happen, maybe I'm afraid we may break this low, but I don't think it will break. So this is what I expect to happen on Bitcoin. So I always say about Bitcoin, there's something you must know about coin. That thing you must know. There was a time I made the free video teaching people about Bitcoin, and I watched the YouTube video. People don't watch it, then I pull it down. I put the video down. I place them on my private video because I know such video is expensive, but I made it free. Only if you watched it. Okay, so such things I don't think it's free, but people don't value what is given free. So, but at least this analysis, you'll be learning something if you watch it consistently. Bitcoin is either this or this. If the two fails, maybe I will go back to the drawing board. Ethereum also have two ideas like Bitcoin. Okay, so in Ethereum, either we have this is wave 1, then this is wave 2. Wave 1 is somewhere here. Wave 2 somewhere here. Then here will be wave 3. So wave 1, ABC. If the ABC fails, then you're going to have WXYXZ. If this fails, this will not fail. That's my opinion. So either this or this. So what does that mean? It means that Ethereum will not go below 3142 again before it goes back to the top. Second option, if it doesn't break this level, it may come back to 3070 before it goes here. So manage your trades, manage your portfolio. Don't panic sell, don't panic buy. That's been my message all the time. If you don't know what you are doing, then enter classroom. Not the most that you learn from me. You can learn from anybody you like, but get the knowledge is important. Okay, XRP, this is worrisome. This candle is worrisome. Okay, but we have seen such candles you worry about. At the end of the day, they won't do any harm. Now, the reason I say that it was because this is an expanding flat. A, B, C. Okay, this is wave 3, this is wave 4. Now, there's something about expanding flats. Expanding flats can behave anyhow. So we may see this. I said we may see this. Not we must see this. So, but I think we are going up from here. If we can go up from here, then we're gonna see this before this. Okay, and it's part of the expanding flat or expanding triangle, anyone you call it. Okay, so now I'll go to BNB and I will wrap it up. Because I don't have time. In 5 minutes time or so, I will begin lecture with my students. So I cannot continue. With Bitcoin and the Ethereum and others, you can now know what's happening on others. Sorry, okay. Let's again. Okay, BNB and the Ethereum, and the XRP have almost a similar pattern. Okay, so this is 1, ABC, this is 2, 3. Then alternatively, we may have another drop. Okay, but I don't think it will go below this drop. So I'm expecting the market to continue from this line and go up. That's what I'm expecting. Alternatively, we may come to this level before going up. So I have got to the end of this cryptos. If you want to know more on cryptos, you can ask me next time if you join my Telegram channel. The links will be at the description of this video. Just go to the description, click more. Then you will see all the details you need to know about me, my phone number and all. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Bye.